Hi guys, I'm Naresh. I'm going to be your session coach for today. Today we are going to go with some mobility drills of your range of motion of your joints. Okay. Coming to the first one, we are going with Volt's greatest stretch. Make sure you're in a high plank position. Hands on your shoulder, right under your shoulder. Keep your right foot near your right hand. Drop your right elbow down and turn away. Turn your body. Try to open up your body. This mobility drill will stretch your spine, your entire your muscles and everything over there. Keep going in that way, guys. Going down and up. Make sure you're opening your body so you can chest. You can stretch your chest and everything over there. People who have back pain or something, they can reduce it by this kind of mobility drill. Change your leg, change your hand. Change your leg, change your hand. Yes. Drop your elbow down and turn away. So make sure you're going slow and easy with this. And this is for advanced one. And for the beginner, you just need to drop your knee down. Drop your knee down. Drop your knee down and turn. Nowadays, people are lack of mobility in their joints. So this is one of the greatest mobility drill for your entire workout. So second mobility drill, we are going with toe touch with the squat hip rise. So going with the shoulder width stance, toes pointing out, you're going to hold your toes that way, keep your chest up always, push your hip up and down. Make sure while you're going down, keep your chest up again, down, slow and easy. Try to lock your knees while you're going up. It activates your glutes, your hamstrings, quadriceps and a bit of calf too. So this is a great mobility drill for whenever you're squatting. Try to do this mobility drill and you can go with perfect squat down without getting a butt wing. Okay, that's your second one. You're going to touch your shoulder down and up. So guys, coming to the fourth one, we are going with squat hold T spine rotation. It is a very good mobility for your squat and a bit of your scapula and your spinal cord too. Coming to the stance, you're going with shoulder width stance, toes pointing out. You're going to hold your toes, keep your chest up always, rise your hand up in a 90 degrees angle. Make sure you're forming a T posture with your body and change. Slowly change. Yes. Try to open up. Yeah, perfect. Look through your hand while you're going up. Come on, right? Up. Look through your hand. Yes. It works on your spine. It works on your quads. It works on your hip and everything too. This is the greatest mobility drill for your squat. Hold. And it works on your spine too. Relax. So guys, coming to the fifth mobility drill, we are going with cat and camel. So let's perform how to do that. Right, hands on your shoulder, knees under your hips. Breathe in while you're rounding. Breathe in while you're round. Breathe out while you're arching. That's good. Keep going in that way. Breathe in. Breathe out. So guys, this mobility drill, whenever you're doing with back workout, chest workout or something else, this is a bit more interesting one. To make sure you're freeing your internal organs and freeing your muscles of your upper back, your core, your chest and everything goes on. So make sure you're not bending your elbows. You're going to keep it up in a straight way. You're going to round your back. You're going to arch your back. See, while you're rounding, you're getting the space completely, the air in your body. While you're arching, you're going to release it. Your scapulars are squeezing and your butt is winking up. And you're going with good and perfect arch of your lower back, which will help you to do a pretty good workout and without any injuries. Okay, that's your one. So guys, most important cues for this, grab a wrist and band, pull it up. Make sure your elbows are locking, stretch it in a dynamic way. So make sure you're going diagonal, you're going straight and that way too. And always your toes should be, your heels should be up over there. You're going to stretch. This stretch will activate your chest muscles, which will stretch your shoulder, your chest and your bicep too. And the last thing is, you're going to squeeze your back squeezing your scapula, you're activating your traps, your radials, and your tricep too over here. So which is a great mobility for your chest workout while you're performing it. So guys, in a high plank position again, make sure your hands are on your shoulders. Hands under your shoulders, okay? Gonna keep your chest up, keep your core tight always. Turn up. Stay there, stay there. Keep your core tight, try to turn a bit more. Yes. It works on your T-spine mobility, where your spine is twisting this way. So where you're activating your shoulders here, you're gonna stay there, the stability, and change your hand. Change your hand. Keep your core tight, turn again. Yes. And make sure you're not dropping your knees down in this way. Don't turn your feet. Don't turn your feet. Turn your feet. Turn. This is how you should not do it. You should do it in a proper way. You're gonna stay there. Yes. Change your leg. Change your hand. Perfect. Gonna keep going that way. It's a great mobility drill while you're going with the shoulder workout. So guys, this is how you have to perform your mobility drill for your range of action in the mobile joints. And if you want a bit more health condition things, try to subscribe this channel. I'll be there. See ya.